guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And today I am back with another Samsung unboxing video, actually. I'm sorry I'm doing it like back to back, but hey, it works out. You get a video, a good video hopefully, and I get a new item from Samsung. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the 512GB one. And you know, I really wanted the crafted black one, but it's a Samsung exclusive, and I had to go through my phone carrier to get this phone. So I opted for, believe it or not, the yellow one. And don't get me wrong, the only reason I chose it is because the camera rings. The rest of it's not even going to be shown. It's not going to be shown that it's yellow, because I'm going to have a case on it, which I don't actually have with me right now. It's going to be here on the 10th. But yeah, the yellow one, the camera rings, I hope look like gold, so it just looks like I have a golden phone. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and just unbox this and check it out. Trying not to show anything. That'll give me away, I guess. Alright. Again, with that paper down there. And I will be using this to package up my return item. So I'll just set it off to the side here for now. And there we go. The Galaxy Z Flip 6. This is my first ever flip phone, ever. Why is the camera moving like that whenever I shake it around? The camera, like my phone's not moving at all. I don't know why it's doing that, but this is my first flip phone. I am not trading in this phone that I'm recording with. I'm just gonna have this, you know, as my main and have this camera for other stuff, but this phone, I mean. But yeah, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Pause to read if you'd like to read. Unfortunately, it only comes with a USB-C cable. Do not accept if broken. Seal is not broken. I have video evidence. Let's take it and try to be as... Yeah. Next. And so let's open it up. Okay, we're greeted with this, which is usually stuck inside here. I'm surprised it's not. A camera bump hole, that's funny. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, okay. You got your USB-C cable, quick start guide, and the pin to put your SIM card in. I am actually using an eSIM, so I won't really be needing anything that came in this box. And I'll just push that in here. Nope, wait. I'll put it in here like this so I can actually grab it. And there it is. The Galaxy Z Flip 6. You know, it's actually wider than I thought it would be. I'm actually very happy about that. So the screen is completely covered up. You got a pull tab here, I guess, to pull the phone out. Oh, it's completely covered up. That's interesting. I can't believe I have this in my hands right now, to be honest. Very, very sleek. Very sleek looking. There's your 5G antenna, the SIM card tray. You got your side key, which I call it a power button, with also a thumbprint reader on it, or I guess whatever finger you want. Your volume slider. And yeah, let me take this off, I guess. Oh, that looks so good. Man, that is clean. Hello, you can even see my reflection. Hello there. Jeez, man. Alright, let's take this back panel one off. Hello again. So nice. Yeah, 512 gig. Okay, good. They sent me the right one. And yeah, doesn't that look like that would be nice if it was like golden? This isn't gold at all. I didn't even realize this was glass until I watched Jerry Rig Everything's video on it, but these look gold to me, which I actually am okay with, so let's check out the hinge. Oh my goodness, man, that is kind of stiff. Oh, it's so nice. So good. Alright, let's hear that clap again. I love it. So it comes with 4 microphones, which is kind of interesting. Interesting design choice. Alright, let's power this thing on. I don't know if there's any battery left in it or not. Doesn't seem like there is. Huh, usually they come charged. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Dang, that took forever. Samsung Galaxy. Oh, it's on this screen too. Powered by Android. Oh, it's white and gray. That's interesting. Welcome. Anything on this? Nope. Alright. Let me do the setup. Sure. Gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, preparing for mobile connection. Let's see. Alright, I got the SIM transferred over, which is actually a new thing. I've never seen that before. I'm not sure how new it is because, you know, I used to use unlocked phones and stuff, so, but I guess we'll see. Well, alright, guess we need to restart. Man, I gotta hold this phone all the way to the left just to make it centered. Oh god, now the T-Mobile logo whenever I turn it on? That's interesting. Cause I couldn't buy this phone unlocked, unfortunately, but, you know. Alright. Let's set up manually. Let's do this another time. Choose from Google. No, not right now. Because doing that causes issues, so I never choose that anymore. I used to, but not anymore. My cat is purring now. Alright, I'm gonna sign into my Google. Alright. Let's try this fingerprint reader. Let me get my camera situated. There we go. I've never used this before, so... I'm trying. Cool. I will add more later. Go next here. Fingerprint always on. Cover and main screen. Continue. Yeah, I'll do the face recognition later. Yep. And I always do this. Yep. Yep. Google AI or Samsung's AI. Keep working to safe for blocking security threat. Oh, that's new. Sure. Ooh, we got T-Mobile stuff. Alright. I'm gonna set this up as automatic later. Alright, here's the stuff it tells you to be careful with, so you can pause to read it if you want. I don't know why it says it's not dust resistant. It's literally IP48 dust resistant. That's why I got it. It's not why specifically I got it, but... Alright, I've set up the phone. Ooh, fancy. I'm so glad I don't live in Washington. I will set that up later, but... There we go. Alright, cool. That's set up properly. It's probably going to install a bunch of stupid apps. Alright, Galaxy AI. That's completely new to me. You get a bunch of stuff on here. The interpreter is very useful to have. I will have to remember to use it. Okay. Cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let me just flip this real quick. I gotta learn how so I don't damage it. I heard it lock. Ooh, look at that. Got the cover screen. Well, it's unlocked now, but I can't do anything. I'll have to set up, like, Samsung's good lock and stuff. Let's see, is there any updates? That might be why it restarted, though. The only downside of buying phones through carriers is it has to connect to T-Mobile servers, and yeah, it doesn't connect straight to Samsung, which really sucks. But I do want to customize the screen. Adaptive color tone, vivid, blah blah blah. How do I get to the other screen? Cover screen, there it is. Oh, okay. So this is all customizable, I guess. I'll have to worry about all that later. Yeah, there's widgets. Cover screen timeout, okay. Hide content. Oh, I'll have to... Yeah, I'll mess with all this later. So yeah, that is my... that is the Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you guys would want to know more about this phone, please let me know. Ask me down in the comments. I'll let you know. This is very convenient for me. I'm going to be setting up the side key double press to activate the flashlight. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess, for now. I'm not exactly sure what to really go through, but there is something actually I do want to go through. Let me try something real quick. Go into video mode here, turn it sideways, obviously do 60 FPS. I'm gonna oh, I love that. Hang on, let me turn this on here. Hey Rye, what you doing, sleepy boy? What you doing? So it shows like a little bar on there whenever I start turning the screen. That's pretty interesting. Got my cat under my bedside table. Oh, they've changed the way this is too. This isn't on my normal phone. Sorry, you can't see it. There's a zoom thing here, which I guess, wow. Nice. What other settings are there? Fit to screen. Remove the black bars around the preview on the main screen in flex mode. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go through all these also. I need to get my earbuds connected to it because I've got the... y'all saw the previous video. It has the ability to do 360 audio with recording through the earbuds, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, I'm glad it does have the wide angle, although it doesn't seem to be able to do it smoothly, like in my phone, like this. It can go smoothly like that. It's kind of strange that this one can't. It's very strange. Wait, maybe it'll do it when I'm recording? No, I can't even do it while I record. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Okay, well that's good to know. Ain't that right, right? Alright. Well, yeah. That's gonna have to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share. Share this video with anyone who's been interested in this kind of phone. I'm sorry I didn't show everything off, but yeah, if you have any questions about this phone and are curious about any of the settings, please put it down in the comments below. I will answer any questions that I get. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys. Hang on, I gotta end the video like this. Bye, guys.